Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. About to work on this 850, get it back on the road. Taking parts from that silver one that has a messed up title, putting them on this white one. We got just about everything off. We pulled the tins out of the bottle, got the bottle to drop down, got the wires from crimped in the smash there. The engine is still tilted back pretty far. Broke one of the tabs off of the engine mount, broke the top of the engine mount. That one's fine. Busted the engine mount. So we'll be getting that stuff off the other car. But I do need to figure out why this engine is leaning so far back. Oh, the bracket up there is jammed up. That'll probably let it come back forward. But we'll put this bracket and mount on here first before we pull that engine forward. We replaced that front engine mount. Took that mount loose there. The engine was still back. Was wondering why. Came back here, it sheared that front engine mount off. So, serpentine belt shot too. Gotta get another one of that. Kicking off my tinker day in the junkyard. Going to get a few parts, do a reconnaissance, and get out of here. It looks like a 09 C70 hardtop convertible coming out here. Dang, that's pretty interesting. Left the junkyard and went to go do a data pull on Panther and seen a guy on the side of the road with a flat tire. So I doubled back to help him, but he had a service with his insurance company. He called and man, they came right out and helped him. So he's good to go. I'm on my way. Kicked off the day. Took mom to the ER. She said she fell a couple days ago. She wanted to make sure everything was well. When I went, I decided to take my coffee in my FCP Euro cup. When I went by FCP Euro, I picked up one of these cups, I guess insulated cups. One thing I like about this is it has a removable closing latch. This thing comes out of there really easy. It's got those two tabs. Those two tabs fall into those two slots there. So you could remove this really easy to clean it. So look at that, one hand. That closes it. Slide it back, that opens it. And when you need to clean it, you slide it to the open position, squeeze those tabs in, pops right out. I guess other cups are like this too, just never noticed it. I'm always concerned about stuff being trapped in there, but hey, this one's good to go. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.